Okay, today we're going to do exploring positions on a number line, which we kind of did that yesterday as well. Crew, I need you to scoot back, please. And what numbers are covered? So we are going to figure out what number is covered. We know that this is 20, and we know this is what, guys?
10.
10. And how did you know that, Landon?
Because that big line.
The line is bigger when it comes to the 5, so it's 10, 15, 20. So we know that
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1 through 9 is covered.
So boom, that's easy.
So number lines can begin. First off, I'm going to read you a story real quick before we get into this lesson.
Okay. I just did one here.
It's our math story called Jumping Jacks. Jumping Jacks. It says, Jack and Jackie want to play a game. They read rules. They learn the game. Jumping Jacks, the game rules, is the first player rolls both cubes, chooses one number, and jumps that distance. The second player jumps forward the distance shown on the other cube. If a player stops on 10, 20, 30, or 40, they must jump back 10. The play continues for 6 rolls. The player who is the greater distance from 0 is the winner. Jackie goes first. She rolls an 11 and a 2. So she goes an 11 and she starts here. And look at the numbers. What should she do? 11 and 2. Caroline?
She should count the bigger number first and then count on from the smaller number.
Start with a bigger number and then count on. So what is she going to land on? Landon?
13.
13. Let's see what old Jack does. It's Jack's turn next. So he must choose. What should I do? Look at the number. What should he do? Where will I be? He did a 1 and a 9. Grant.
You should go back 10 spaces.
He'll go back 10 spaces. Why?
Because it equals 10.
He landed on a 10.
Now I don't.
Jackie rolls again and thinks it through. My turn to choose. First, I need to be careful. So, you know what she'll decide to do? 8 and 5. Go to 8, go 8 more and then 5 more, correct?
Yep.
She was at 13. Jack rolls the cube and chooses 7. I will be ahead. Why didn't he want to jump 11? Jackie must choose a number this time. Oh no. Where could she jump on the line? She got 10 as well. The cubes are rolled. The game is done. Who do we think won?
The pink one.
Jackie is first to know who has won. I think it's the pink one.
Jackie.
The friends had fun with this game today. Congratulations, Jack. He won.
I
Do
knew it.
you think it's a game that you could play? Wouldn't that be fun?
Wait.
That just shows us how to jump on a number line.
Which one?
So back to this one. Number lines can begin at any number other than 0. The number line below starts at 50. It starts at 50 and it goes to 70. So we are going to, what number would you write in the empty box? What number would this be right here? Crew?
63.
He knows that because this is 60, this is 65, 64, 63. Good job. Crew. Now it says we're going to draw a line from each number to its position on the number line. So 9. Since the number line shows us 5, 10, 15, 20, we could go to 10. Look here, we could go to 10 and we could just say 9. So if you'd like to go ahead and see if you could place those or draw those to the correct place on the number line. So then we have 12. And we're going to go 10, 11, 12. You can jump. You can draw the jumps. You can be Jack or Jackie. 19. Well, here's 20, so I'm going to go back to 1 to make it 19. 30, 29, 28. Does that seem easy enough, Cooper? Sure. And then here we have 10. What are we going to have to do to make it 11? Grant?
Go forward one.
You mean go back to 11?
Yeah. 47.
And 15? Crew told us it's the big, right here is a 5.
Yep.
We know 20. We'll jump to 2 to make 22. And 30, 29, 28, 27. I'm going to walk around and see if you understand it. If you have questions, raise your hand. And I'm going to walk around and see if you know where to place those, okay? You understanding it okay? Good job. How are you doing? You guys doing all right? You're already done? Okay. Most of everyone is already done, so I'm going to come over here. And here's 40. So we're going to take 40 and count to 1, 42, go up. 50, count to 51, good job. 60, we need to go backwards, how many?
4.
How many do we need to go? If we're at 60, how many backwards do we need to go to get to 58?
3.
Jax?
2.
Yes. 60, 59, 58. And then we'll go back to 60 and go 61, 62, 63, 64. Okay? We can either go, I think I will go to 45, because I know that's 45, 46, 47, 50, 1, 2, 53. I didn't connect that one very well. 55 and 69. Is that what you're getting?
I'm already done with the blue. I'm just on the green.
Good job. This is the same thing. We're going to say 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Here's 80, so we'll go back how many to get to 79? 1. Good job. How many do we have to count up from 80 to get to 85?
What?
Good job. 5.
Oh, that's
So we already know 85 is right there because of the bigger mark. And then 90, how many do we have to count up to get to 93, Caroline?
you have to go 3.
Absolutely. Good job, guys.
I know it.
And then here's 70, so we have to just go up 1 to 71. 80, 82, 89, so we go backwards 1. And then 96, we'll go to 95 and go 1 more. Good job. So the very last part says draw a line from each number to its position on the number line. So this is 20. So what's this going to be if this is 40? Stella? 30. So we're just going to go 30. So somewhere in between 20 and 30 will be 25. And someone in between 30 and 40 is 35. Good job. Our lesson was shorter today because we've been working really hard on it this week. And that's all we have to do today. So once you're finished, we will go on to something else, okay?